It's already rained and I'm out here pretty early in my morning routine, earlier than normal, to get the kitties fed because it's going to pour. It's getting pretty close. If you want food, you're gonna have to go in the cat hotel. You've already been inside and had water, food. I'm not awake yet. You've already been inside and ate. I probably need to clean that water bowl, but the other two, considering it's gonna pour, they're fine. And here's these guys. They're doing good. It is raining just a smidge right now, but so phew, I got them fed before it poured. Hey, Panther. Good boy. How are ya? You good? He's spinning in a circle. Here's your food. There you go, buddy. Thanks for waiting so patiently. Yeah. Our local weather guy says it's good that it's cloudy here. That means less heating. Less heating means less volatile storms this afternoon. They upgraded it to a level 2 risk, just barely east of Raleigh and east of Fayetteville. So we're right on the border with the level 1 and level 2, but it's cloudy, so that's a good thing. It doesn't feel soupy out here. That kind of soupy pre-severe weather outbreak that we get sometimes. So that's my from the treehouse front porch report. Not soupy. Yeah, Johnny was really sick with that fever yesterday, just to give you an update. And I know y'all are pulling for him to feel better. He got, you know, must-dos on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so he has time to recover, but his fever was down this morning. Of course, he did take some fever reducer, but it was reading more in the normal range, so that still seems significant, because even yesterday when he was taking fever reducer, it was still over 100, so I did warn him that sometimes it goes up and down before it's gone, but he's doing a bit better, a bit. Hi. Good morning. Big stretch. Oh my, you're always stretchy in the morning. Here's Chicken. The other guys mess with it a little bit, but they didn't eat too much. It's still mostly there. You can't go out for a few minutes, Marty. A friend let us know that there was some tornado rotation seen southwest of us, and
yeah, it's gonna be scary.
Yeah, that we should, you know, take a few precautions, start paying attention mostly. I appreciate that. Whether it, obviously I hope it amounts to nothing, but I brought Marty and Stripe in, and Tux has been crated in the bathtub. He's the safest one of all of us. He's in a crate and he's in the bathtub in the back of the house. He's not happy. And I trust Panther and Morris to know how to take cover. So we've dropped the inflatables. And other than that, there's not a lot we can do, except for I could probably move away from the window. And oh, by the way, it doesn't look that bad out there here right now. But this was southwest of Fuquay, headed into Fuquay. And yeah. Let's hope it just stays this calm, and wherever those winds were, they went west of us. Well, we appreciate Mike, and he's working really hard today. The worst part of it went just west of us, and then past the Fuquay ABC store on the north side of town, and now it's sort of headed toward the Turnpike area. No reported damage. Not sure it's touching the ground, but also not good stuff happening out there, and maybe some hail on the northwest side of it. So I'm gonna leave the kitties in for a few more minutes till the heavier rain passes, and then I'll especially Tux, who's totally not happy, I'll let him go back out. The chassis is looking really sweet. I'm getting ready to start the vertical drum weapon. There's the drum starting the vertical build. I ran into a problem where you can only see so many characters on the screen and the names are really long. But I know that this what do you call the little plate underneath? I know that this plate underneath is shaped different than the one last time, so I must have picked the right file. This is about a 5-hour print, and it's sometime after 1, so sometime around 6 it should be done. I'll probably print another drum if it looks good, a second spare weapon, and then overnight one more chassis. We've got a small window to go walk. These guys were ready to come back out, so I let them. Especially Tux, who doesn't understand why he got put in the crate in the bathtub, but I loved on him and told him I made him unhappy because I loved him. We're just going to go to South Park and in Ruby, which means no weight vests, which is fine. And I'm still having considerable shoulder, arm, chest pain. Had me up last night, if that puts it in perspective. Yeah, not too happy about that. I can't tell if it's exercise or what at this point, so we'll see. I feel fine other than the discomfort. There's definitely some, extra tightness. Like if I move a certain way, something feels sort of pulled, but I don't understand what I did to cause it. I don't know. Due to my history, it's probably the right thing to just, get it checked out. There's Ruby. Haha, I love it. I bet you like it more too.
Yeah.
You don't have to lean and stretch. And hey, Donnie, we're the only ones up here.
Yes, right.
That's such a surprise. Where is everybody?
At home watching football, having pizza, beer, and ice cream.
I definitely seen improvements. It's worth it to try to do more than just walk. Thanks for being so fun. He's thrilled to be out here. Well, I'd say we got back in the car just in time.
Yeah, I agree.
It dripped on us a little bit, but not bad. Not so bad I gotta go home and switch shirts. Unless I want to. Well, the next round of storms is moving in. 40-mile-an-hour winds are what it's saying. Gusts. Not too bad. Everything is an emergency in weather now. The things, we used to have these summer thunderstorms that would roll through and we had no warning. And most of the time it didn't matter that we didn't have any warning. And hi, Mart. Now they worry us. How am I going to break it to Stripe that I need him to move so I can work on Legos? He's a good boy. He just really likes this counter and doesn't understand. Such a good boy. I'm going to finish the winter market stall with the parts that Lego sent, and I should have enough parts in my stash to do the other one. I ordered the couple of things like this corner piece that I was missing in one of my orders that came in the last week. So I ought to be able to finish both of them. The one that I was supposed to have and the one that they sent me the wrong extra bags for. And yeah, he's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. You are too. You are too. It took longer than I thought. I'm missing 1 or 2 pieces that need to be addressed up here across the top. Otherwise, it's all good. Probably need to add a couple more minifigures, but yeah, I'm pleased. I'm done. The one I had to pull the parts myself took longer than I had anticipated. Was able to fasten the two together with a 1x4 white piece on both sides. I probably could put a square 2x2 white tile up there also, but it actually looks, really nice. doubled. It looks like something substantial now. No clue how you get in and out of the market stall when it's all closed up like that. The poor old lady, she climbs over the counter, right? Security and all.